Hello and welcome. I'm at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. I'm going to show you this Ford Tourneo conversion from Vanexxt. Something like this is going to cost around €85,000. What we're going to do here is have a look at the same vehicle in three potential uses. So what they're trying to push is the idea you've got a vehicle which you might use as your daily car to work or something, but what else can actually be done with it? So in this case, for example, we can see here it's being used as a transporter for a motorbike, and coming with also the outer kitchen, which is over there, and there's even an extra seat in there, so if three people want to go to the motorbike race, that is possible. Now, but thanks to the flexibility of units such as this, we can now then turn it into a camping unit, which is down here. We've got a box that slides in and out, and a cooker comes with it, with this slide in and out box, and then opening this up, all sorts of possibilities for what could be potentially stored in there become available. At the top of here we see this, which is a bed, and that works by putting down the seat here. It's got this covering from Drive Dressy, which is an upholstery company. I see them at many events, and I'm really surprised how well they've actually done. Coming in, so we've got here a sort of typical sort of camping setup. Here we have the fridge from Vitry Frigo, and that powered by the 12-volt habitation battery. There's the cooker. There'll be a gas cylinder under it, and sink. Storage all the way around, and there's these backpack things, and here is the tent in the roof as well. Now, same vehicle, or could be the same vehicle. I need two vehicles just to demonstrate the different uses, but these things all come in and go out, slide in and out. That's thanks to the rail system, which you can see below. Now I'm coming over to the next idea, which what it also could be used as. Well, okay, they've stuck a tent on the roof, as opposed to a tent in the roof, but also, of course, it could be used as a passenger transport vehicle, a 8-seater car to traveling, taking people around. Once more, thanks to the ease of access using these rails. I'll take it to the back, and it's all the same vehicle, Ford Tourneo, all the way through. They've also stuck some bike stuff on the back there. So that shows the flexibility of a system like this. So if this is the sort of thing that interests you, I'll leave you a link to Vanexxt at the bottom of the description. So thanks for watching, hope you found it interesting, and so I upload every day at 21:15, so if you're interested in this type of thing, then you might want to be watching at 21:15 every day. But from me in Dusseldorf, all the best, thanks for watching, and bye for now.